How you doing? Come here often? Yeah. Okay. What's going on, folks? It's your boy Deuce back in the house again with another, you see the tape, you see the knife, unboxing. But before I go any further in all that, first let me say thank you for coming out to the channel, for supporting DeuceDropz with your boy Deuce. Put that thumbs up if you like the video so I can keep creating more videos and know when I need to get the ins and outs of what you guys want. And go ahead and subscribe so you can go ahead and see those other videos I have. Plus, hit that notification ding bell so you can know when I make some new videos. Now back to the unboxing. So what I ended up getting myself on the lightning deal day was boom, Anker SoundBuds, well, tag SoundBuds. It's that time again. I gotta stop going with these lower cost earbuds because they work really well and then in like 2 months is dead. So that being said, I stepped it up to the next level. Anker is a really good company. They make great portable chargers and cables and stuff like that. So I said, hey, let me try out the audio stuff, and this I shall. So let's get to the boxing on. Alright, nice little package in here. Cool. Slip that out. That's your charging cable, micro USB. It's a USB, cool. You got your tips. These are the ones that go in the ear and do the in-ear support thing. You know, the little tab here or whatever, so that'd be something new for me to try out. The actual bud covers themselves. We all know what these are, so ooh, what is that, velvet? Come to America, y'all know what I'm talking about. On this manual, yeah, we don't do manuals up in this piece, boy. You know what I'm saying? You don't do that. Oh, okay. Oh, it's one of those snap, like, oh, snap. It's like talking to a puppet. How you doing? Come here often? Yeah. Okay, let me stop. And these are the buds themselves. Nice. I like the build. It doesn't seem like it would get caught on things because I usually have a lot of cable that do that. Magnetic, as you can see. There's your USB charge right there. There's your multi-function buttons. I'm pretty sure hitting that twice is forward and hitting this twice is backwards and hitting it once is, you know, volume down, volume up, etc., yada yada. But one thing that I did see in the description, when these are magnetically connected, they automatically turn off. And when they come apart, they turn on. And I thought that was awesome. And just to prove my point, boom. You see right now, there's no light, not never. I take them apart, on. Put them back together, off, on, off. That's cool as fuck. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy these. But yeah, these are the Anker SoundBud tagged. Go ahead and hit them comments down there below. Let me know if you have a pair of Anker earbuds, how you like them, if you have the tags, how you like them, if you have the other ones, or if you got any earbuds that you want to share with the folks out there in internet YouTube land. Hit those comments, let me know, let's have a conversation, let's talk about it. But until then, this is Deuce. You have stepped into DeuceDropz. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video. Deuces.